Finally, I am modifying my Polo GTI, the moment you've all been waiting for. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jade and this is Field Life, and this is my 2020 Polo GTI, and I've kept it stock as it is and as I got it from the factory. Until now, it's time to modify her first modification ever. And as always on this channel, I make sure she's clean and ready for this massive occasion. Let's jump right in. Alright, the package has just arrived of what we are going to be using to modify this puppy. Let's dive into it. I'm going to show you the behind the scenes of what we did. Try guess what on earth is happening and what we're doing to this car. Later in the video, I'll reveal what's in this. So, first of all, where did this mystery package come from? You may be asking or thinking. Well, all the way from China. And it arrived here at the door in South Africa. So now it's time to finally let the modifying begin. Time to measure. Do some cutting. A bit of sewing. Some more sewing. I'll keep on sewing. Nearly done now, but a bit more sewing. And it's time to see what on earth I've made. You've just seen what it took to make this, so now it's time to see what on earth I am modifying my car with. Here it is! Yay! Ladies and gentlemen, the Field Life family, my son is being born in a couple days, and what other better way to modify the car than making sure he has the matching tartan material as the car seats, thanks to my awesome wife. Let's install it! Time to install this puppy. Let's get inside. First things first, I think we want to face it backwards. Let's get that front seat forward to give us the room we need. Then we want to face it this way, ladies and gents. Now I have practiced this once or twice, but it's not as easy as it looks. You know, we're all about the how-tos on Field Life. How to install.
So what's happening here?
I'm trying to get step one, which is through the back. So we want to get the seat belt. There we go. And it's through, ladies and gentlemen. Now we want to clip the puppy in.
Nice.
The back, bring round. Oh, I've done something wrong. No, back, bring round to the top here. This, we want to make sure it's tight at the bottom, everybody. So you want to pull from here. Make sure as tight as possible. We want him to be safe. Now, we want to coil this puppy in this clip here. We want to put that puppy tight in the clip. Pull this behind this blue medallion. Pull it nice and tight. And that puppy's going nowhere. Install complete.
How do you put your child in?
Good question. Maybe from the other side. That's the first modification. I'm sure you didn't expect that. Hopefully much more to come, but this is an important one to me and a massive milestone in my life. It was vital that it matched my Polo GTI. As a car lover, I want my child hopefully to be the same. I hope you enjoyed this. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one. This one's for my boy. I cannot wait to share a passion for cars, Formula One, and anything and everything in between the automotive industry. I can't wait for the adventures, road trips, and everything to come. I love you, champ.